So I've been banished to the outdoors, but we got a little setup here outside.
These are the 4 bed frame legs, rough cut on the bandsaw and trimmed to size. Today I'm shaping the curved profile with a template and a flush trim router bit. I'm attaching the MDF template with double-sided tape so it doesn't shift while routering. This curve is just an aesthetic detail, but it ties the whole leg together. The first pass came out clean except for a little tear out at the end. A strip of masking tape helps supports the grain and keeps the edges crisp for the next cuts. After a few light passes, the curve lines up perfectly with the template. You can still see the rough bandsaw cut underneath, but that contrast shows how clean the router finishes.